Alright, we're gonna make a Hily account, so make sure you have your train set up. So I'd name it by the city, that way I know where the container is located. And make sure your GPS manager has the same location. You can see you got Newark, New Jersey right there. So we're gonna go in, open it. And we're gonna use continue with phone. I don't do Snap or Facebook. We're gonna go through I use SMS pool. I'm gonna make sure I'm spoofing to the States, so I'm gonna put an American number. So I'll be back once we have this part completed. Alright, we're back. We successfully passed that stage, so we're gonna go female, looking for a male, continue. So for this part, I'll go to a site like this, and I'll get a fake name generator. I'll just generate a random name. So I'll just find one that I like. Rebecca, easy. Doesn't have to be the model's name. I don't like using the model's name for every container. I'll switch it up. This, you can put whatever, it doesn't really matter. As long as she's over 18, I believe. Is the minimum for these apps, I believe. Yeah, it must be at least 18. Enable location. Only important ones. Now for here, make sure you have all 6 pictures ready to go. I have them in my gallery. So I'm gonna find them. They're over here. Make sure you have all 6. I do all 6 anyway. And let it upload. And by the way, I use SIM data. I have a SIM card in the phone. I don't use proxies or anything like that. Use SIM data. So make sure you have SIM data. And once the pictures are good to go, just go continue. Okay, it's finished filling this out. You can choose whatever for all this. Just make sure you fill it out. You want to pretend that you're the model filling this out. Ideally, you can skip it if you want, but I personally like to fill it out because that's what a normal female would probably do. And just pick whatever, it doesn't matter what you pick, as long as you fill it out. This part, you can choose whatever, doesn't matter. This, I just leave it. You can always change that later. That, you can leave it. I'll analyze, then I'll probably prompt to verify after it's done smart matching. Usually does. There you go. So it prompted me, force verification. So we're gonna verify the model, and I'll be back after we're verified. There we go. We're verified. That's how you know it went through. Now, not every time it'll load, so you might have to restart the app. I'm gonna restart it. Alright, looks like we're in the account. And we're sitting at 64%, so we're gonna change that. We're gonna fill out all this stuff. Fill out the profile answer. You can pick whatever. Basically what you want to do is fill out this, all 3 of them. And link your Spotify. You can choose random one, doesn't matter what it is. Your height, your languages. About me, don't put your Instagram or Snap right away, because that'll just cause the account to get flagged and banned first day. Put a normal bio. If you can't think of anything, just get ChatGPT to generate one for you. You can fill out this. Basically whatever is empty you can fill out. And once that's done, you'll be around like 80% or something. And then you can start swiping. So I'll come back when my account's at around 80%. And I'll show you guys how the activity goes from low to high once you start swiping. By the way, it took me 4 different numbers on SMS pool to get here. If you use a number that's already been reused, your Hily account will just get banned and you won't even get a chance to verify. That's why it took me so long to get to this point. But I'll be right back. One thing I wanted to add is when you're filling out the profile, it'll come up, this will pop up. Make sure that if you put a role in a company, make sure the company is in the same location of where your GPS manager is. If you're spoofing to Washington and you put a company that's in freaking Miami, that might raise a red flag. So it's better just to go to Google Maps, type in whatever job you want to put for the model. It can be a banker or whatever. That's usually what I do. That's just an example that you can use. So I'll go banker, and then I'll go look for banking companies in Washington because I'm spoofing in Washington. So I just wanted to add that in there for you guys. You can see here on Google Maps, I type in Washington banks, and you can literally just put whatever one, doesn't matter which one, as long as it's in the same location of where you spoofed, so that's realistic. It'll also ask you where to study, where did you study, and since I'm spoofing to Washington, I'll quickly type in Washington University. Make sure that it's all legit. George Washington University. That's what I'm gonna put. Alright, profile is filled out, and I haven't even swiped yet, and I got 23 likes. That's a good sign already. Oh, look at that. If you're filling it out correctly, it'll pop up with free premium. So obviously, take the free premium. It'll give you 10 unblurs and all this other shit. You'll also get 1 profile boost. It says 1 per day, but you only get 1. Even though the premium is for 3 days, technically. I think you can technically boost it once each day, and then the premium runs out. You get all this, so you can actually meet people within a 30-mile radius and meet people from anywhere. You can try this out if you'd like. I personally don't, but the option's there for the next 3 days if you guys want to try that out. So there we go, we got Premium Plus. Got it. I gotta restart it for some reason, it's being weird. Here you can see it's at 83%. You filled out and you can also go verification, scroll down, or verify by photo, add mobile number, with a verified Hily member. So now we can start swiping, and see how it's already at medium, and I haven't even swiped yet. And I got 3 chats and 29 likes. So what I usually do is 3 right swipes, and then 1 left swipe, switch it up. Just swipe. Things pop up. It's basically the algorithm just testing you to make sure you're not a bot. You can see this progress bar. Get out here. See this progress bar? Once you get to 25 matches, it'll tell you. 25 matches, something like that. So we'll just keep liking, switching it up. Left swipe on every 3rd one. Really don't matter. Seeing it's algorithm's testing me again, making sure I'm not a bot. Making sure I'm not just right swiping all the way. So we're halfway there now. I had a Batman thing in the background. Some guys have really shitty pictures, some guys have good pictures. I don't know what's up with that. Just a cat chilling, that's funny. And there you go, we got 1 new match. So we've liked 25 profiles, we can keep swiping. We can go here, got one new match, whatever, send them a message. And yeah, it'll show you how many likes. So this is, when you have premium, these are all your likes will be. You can, instead of swiping, you can just like X, like X. You can do that to get more messages. And that's basically it. You might need to go through a few SMS pool numbers. If you keep getting banned, it's because you're probably getting a used SMS pool number. Happened to me like 4 times. Took me 4 different numbers to make this account. But that's how you make a Hily account on iOS Jailbreak.